Hello everyone, this is Sally from Wuhan Guide Sensmart Corporation Limited, and I'm from the Overseas Sales Department. Staying with me is my partner, Mr. Thomas Chen.
Hi, I'm Thomas, the professional engineer from Guide Sensmart. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Maybe good night.
Yeah, we have to say good morning, good afternoon, and good night because we are global team and the people we are facing may be from everywhere around the world. But no matter which time zone you are located, the Wuhan city where we come from may be the most famous city in the world because of the COVID-19 virus. But with a great effort from Wuhan government and Wuhan citizens, we are almost come back to the normal life. Even Thomas and I in this Canton Fair live showroom, we don't have to wearing the mask.
Yeah, no need mask. In fact, we attend the Canton Fair every year, but as you know the virus, it is the first time we attend the Canton Fair online. So thanks very much for your visiting. You are welcome to leave the message here. We will reply your questions as soon as possible.
Yes, if you love this show, please give us a heart.
Yes, it's very important.
Guide Sensmart is the biggest manufacturer in the Asian market of the IR products. Not only the IR product detectors, but also complete machines. And today, Thomas and I will introduce you the CND series high-performance thermographic cameras to you. And Thomas, in this industrial park where we are located, do you know how many people are working with us together now?
As I know, it's around 3,000 people here in the industrial park.
Yes, that's a very huge number. And do you know the market value of our infrared guide group?
As I know, it's around 14 billion Chinese yuan.
So if you calculate it into US dollars, it will be around 6 billion US dollars. So we made a great effort to spread our products in the world. Now let's have a look at our C-series camera.
Yes.
And for the C-series, we have at least 3 models. You can see here the differences between the 3 different models are the resolution. And if you want to know more details of this camera, please leave us a message.
Yes, the C-series cameras is the most powerful thermography in our companies. You can see it is high resolution, touchscreen 5-inch, and rotatable display. And there are 3 types of interface to connect to other device. So you can see here, it is internet interface, so you can connect it to the computer. And the mini USB is also used to connect to the computer to transfer the videos, the photos you take from the SD card. And you can see also we have the Wi-Fi here. It's also used to transfer data. I like the Wi-Fi the best, so I will show you how to use the Wi-Fi to connect it with the smartphone.
Okay, I will hold this for you.
Okay. So the first, we need to turn on the Wi-Fi on the cameras. So in this application, the Wi-Fi in the camera is the hotspot. So turn on the AP. Okay, you can see here it's power on. So next step, we need to turn on the LAN on the smartphone, and you need to choose the right. Okay, it's already connected to the cameras, to the Wi-Fi here. So the last step is to turn on the app on the smartphone. You can see all of our cameras share the same app. Okay, now you just need to connect it. Okay, success.
So you may see the image. It's the same from the camera and the phone.
And you can control the camera from the smartphones. So you can see, for example, you can change the palette here. Okay. You can change different color, which is the most popular one. And you can do it like the cameras can do. Okay, added some frame, added some points like this.
So this function will be very useful in such application. Maybe on spot, the environment is dangerous for the operator. You can just leave this camera on a tripod on the spot, and the operator, like you, can stay miles away in some safety spot.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's back. And here we also have the HDMI output for the video, so you can connect it to a TV or some other displays to see the thermal imager. We will show you here.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Shi, could you please help us to transfer the image on the computer to the audience? Thomas, now you are the model. Could you please put your hand on the table,
Okay.
just in front? Yes. Okay, leave your hand.
Okay.
See? The temperature, the heat from Thomas' palm just transferred to the table, and you can see the temperature of the point 1 now is 25.9 centigrade. And in the image, because the camera is working, so the temperature of the camera is 32.1 centigrade. And I can show you the different model of this camera. This is now IR mode, and it's visible light mode. This is multi-image fusion. You can see the details which can't be told from the IR image. And the last is a photo in photo. Okay, let's come back to the show.
And there are many other functions. For example, it has GPS and digital cameras. It's very helpful if you are working outdoors. Okay, this is C series.
And next, we are going to show you the D series camera.
Okay. All our equipment are in hard case, so it's very safe for transportation.
So you can see here, this is a D series camera. It's handheld type, and it's just easy to take it as a handheld camera. Thomas, I have found there are at least 3 extra lens for this camera, and this one is high temperature filter. This is 8.8 wide angle lens, and this is 40 millimeter telephoto lens. And I have a question, Thomas. As you know, in Wuhan, we have the world's biggest steel making company in Wuhan. It's called Baowu Steel Company. So in their application, we may need a high temperature filter. So when I use this temperature filter, I have to get this standard lens. It's 19 millimeters.
Yes.
So can you show us how to?
Okay, you just need to assemble the high temp filter on the standard lens. So I will show you. So first, you need to recover the cover and just assemble. Very smooth.
So it's very easy to attach and detach the lens.
So now the camera can work until 1,500 degrees.
Yes, just working in the steel making company. And my another question is, if I want only the 8.8 millimeter lens, should I have to buy this standard lens?
No, this is our special decisions. So if you only need the tele lens, so you don't need to get the standard lens. Just told us, we will only sell you the tele lens. I will show you how to do it. Okay, so let's disassemble the head temp filter first. Okay. When you assemble and disassemble the lens, press the button here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's very easy to change the lens. You can see now you have a camera with tele lens. In this decision, you can save a lot because you don't need to buy the standard lens.
Yes,
okay.
People will like this design.
Yes.
And I can also find there is a wristband. When you use it outside, this band will help you to protect the camera. And here is a glove. So this glove will be used when in winter to protect, to hold the temperature of my hand.
No, because the camera is touch screen.
Oh.
So you need to have the gloves to touch the screen, to protect the screen.
So this is to protect the screen, not my hand.
Yes, because in this level, in the market, normally the camera don't have touch screen. This is our advantage.
Okay.
Okay.
And I can find there are download cards for the software. A quick start menu and operational menu. So, as I know, we have 5 models of this camera, like this.
Yes.
You see here, we have 5 models of this D series, and the differences between these models are the resolution and focal width. The F here means focus free. The M means manual focus, and the A means autofocus.
Okay, this is D series. The hard case is very strong. Okay.
A lot of company who is working for non-destructive test will buy such cameras because of its high resolution images and how it works. And Thomas will show you.
Okay.
Outside.
Okay. Good. Okay, let's go. Hi.
Hello.
This is our engineer, Mr. James. He will show us how to use the camera to check the power grid. Okay. Here is the interface for the report. Okay.
现在的话，我们是把设备已经支撑在这个三脚架上面了。支撑好了之后，我们的这一个三脚架需要进行一些相关的水平和纵向的一些调节。
So you can adjust the FOV of the camera with the report.
然后再就是主要的来看一下我们的这一个设备。设备的话，它有一个前置的这一个红外摄像头。前置的红外摄像头的话，它是可以有一个角度的一个调整的，方便我们这一个进行拍摄的时候，方便我们取景。
Here is the infrared lens and also the visual camera and the lamp. So when you take photos, you can adjust the fold of the lens, so you can see up.
然后再一个的话，就是我们的设备的显示的这一个屏幕，屏幕的分辨率的话是分辨率很高。然后它的话也是采取了一个折叠的方式，也是方便我们进行这一个观测，给我们的，因为我们有时候施工的时候，或者说我们测量的时候，它的这一个角度的话，会对我们不同的角度有一个需求，所以我们做了这一款折叠的这一个屏幕。
The screen is high resolution, and you can also rotate the screen for different angle.
然后我们这一个显示的话是这一个屏幕和这一个目镜它是能切换的，这个的话就是我们的这一个切换的一个过程。
When the sunshine is very strong, it's difficult to see clear the screen. So sometimes you need to see the viewfinder. So here you can check the viewfinder.
好，下面呢我们就进行一个简单的这一个拍照和摄像的这一个操作。拍照的话只需要按下我们的前面的这一个拍照键。
You need to make the image clear before you take a video and a photo. And here is the focus button. And here you can zoom. For example, you want to see more clear the components. It is continue zoom for 10 times. Okay. Now, okay, it's clear. 然后呢？
然后这就是一个摄像的过程。再然后有时候我们在检测的时候可能需要做一些摄像的过程，然后摄像的话是长按我们的这一个摄像键，松开我们就可以看到我们的一个实时的这一个过程。在摄像的过程中的话，我们可以对准我们的这一个目标，有一个移动的一个过程。
Here is button for take video. Just press here for a few seconds. You can start the video. And when you take the video, you need to move the camera to the object you want to show. And all the video and the photo you can record in the SD card.
然后再就是我们的有一些其他的一些设置，包括我们的一些添加一些点的对象、面的对象，或者说是加一些线的对象的话，就可以在我们的这一个屏幕上面用我们触屏的这种方式去进行一些操作。然后我们这个里面的话也会有其他的很多的，包括连 WiFi， 然后或者连我们的这一个电脑显示器去来显示我们的这一个实时的这一个画面。
You can edit some object in the screen, like the round, like the circle. And you can also edit the object in the software in computer, but you can also do it in the camera. And when everything is okay, you can take a photo and take back the camera to office and have a report.
如果在我们这一个拍摄完了之后，我们还可以打开这一个 WiFi 的这种形式，把我们设备上面的一些图片来进行，可以把我们的这一个图片，然后一个是图片，一个的话是可以通过我们的这一个电脑或者说是我们的手机端来连我们的 WiFi 热点去控制我们的这一个机器，进行我们刚才相应的一些操作。
And the camera have Wi-Fi functions, so you can connect the Wi-Fi to computer, to smartphone to transfer the video, transfer the photo. And we have the app on the smartphone. This one. And now we will connect the camera to the smartphone.
那你就把这个功能演示一下。
We already opened the Wi-Fi on the camera, so now we need to open the Wi-Fi on the smartphone. Okay, you can see we already connect with the camera. Now we need to open the app. 这个怎么没有进入过呢？ Now connect. Okay, now you can see. So the video on the camera transferred to the smartphone directly. So we can take video and take photo with your smartphone and remote control it. This is a D series cameras. It can also assemble with the report. And this is the report kit. Okay, please show us. And here is the focus ring. And for the long distance of the tower, you can change the lens for the D3-18-4. Here is the button. 这边呢. Here is the button to change lens. Okay. We have 14 millimeters tiny lens for the cameras, and also 7 millimeters wide angle lens. 声音能不能去掉? The function of D series is much easier than C series, but it's okay for the power grid inspection. And please show us how to take a video and the photos.
然后要拍照的话，就是当我们取好景之后，只需要扣动我们这边的这一个按键。
When you make the video and make the image clear, just press the button in red. It's okay. It will save to the SD card. 录像呢？怎么录像呢？
我想查啊。录像的话是需要在我们的这一个屏幕上面进行一个手动的操作，把我们的相机模式切换成录像的这一个功能，然后同样也是扣动我们这一个的扳键就行了。
If you want to record the video, you need to change the image mode to video models and also press the button, the red button to start the video.
同样，如果要关的话，也是跟刚才我们一样的，扣动这边这一个按键就可以了。然后我们这一个操作上面的话，还有跟我们之前介绍的这一个 C 系列是一样的，它也有几种模式，红外模式啊，然后激光的一些灯啊，一些包括热点的开关，然后变背这一些的话，都是有的。
Welcome back, Thomas.
Thanks. It's very important to keep safe when you're working outside. It's important to you and to your family.
Yes, no matter how, you have to protect yourself and also protect the camera. And I think when you come back, you may take the photo and the videos taken by the camera.
Yes.
And as a management, they may want to know what's happening inside of the machine and what's wrong with the devices. So we need a professional analysis software to get more information from the images. And as I know from FLIR and Fluke, they also offer the analysis software, but the price of the software is very expensive. If you choose us, we can also offer you the analysis software, and it's totally free. The function of our software is almost the same, and you can get whatever you want, the function you need. And Thomas, would you help us to show how to use our analysis software?
Okay, so let's show it at our computer.
Okay.
Okay, now the first step is to turn on the software. You can see this is our software Guide Report Express. Because we use the Wi-Fi to connect the camera and the computer, so you need to turn on the Wi-Fi on the computer. Before we already turn on the Wi-Fi on the camera. Okay, now it's okay. You can see the real video from the software. And you can see here, the AP means Wi-Fi and the LAN means the internet. So confirm. Okay, now you can see the real-time videos. And now you need to download the photos from the cameras. Okay, let's choose the photos we just take in the morning. And download. Okay, it's here. The photo is me. I'm there working very hard. And if you are the first time use the software, you need to send the basic functions. And the most important is the language. Okay, now we use the English language. But you can see, we have many other languages you can see, maybe German, Polish, Spanish, Italian. If you want new languages, we can translate it for you. And the second one, you need to send the temperature, unit Celsius, Fahrenheit, and the distance unit, meter, inch, yard. It's useful for different countries. And third one, the show means you need to send the name of the object you want to show in the image. Normally it's maximum temp or minimum temp or nothing. And the color is the color of the object you put on the photos. And the reports, normally we have PDF and Word, but most popular is PDF. And others, you can choose where you want to save the report. And the last one is the version of the software, because we update the software every month, maybe every 2 weeks. So you need to take care of the version you are using. So next we need to show you how to use the software. So you can see in the right side, everything here. You can see the visual camera and everything, every information, the resolution, the video size and temperature. And in the bottom, you can see the limit switch for level span. So now you can see only the low temp, and now you can see only the high temp. It is very popular function in most of applications, but most time we just need the alt. And now we added a point, so you can see the temperature of this point in the screen, and all the information is in the right side. And now we added 2 frames in the photo. Okay, another one. Okay, you can see all the information also in the right side. Histogram is to show the percentage of the temperature in the area you choose. It's a very popular function. And when you click delta, it will show the difference of the 2 frames in the photos. You can see the difference of maximum temp, minimum temp, and average temp. It also shows in the right side. Okay, let's select the 2 frames. Let's add a line. Okay. So this is also histogram. So you can see the different temp in the line, and also the curve. In the curve, you can see the temp difference in different sectors very clear. It's very helpful to you to find the problem. Very nice curve. Okay, let's select the line and to see how to generate a report. Before you generate the report, you need to send what kind of report you need. Okay, go to the report and send in. And here you can show the standard logo on the report is guide infrared. If you want to change it for your logo, it's okay. Let me show you. So choose one logo in your computer. Okay, now the report is with your logo. And below the form is the item you want to see on your report. You can see there is full information you want. So please choose the right one you want. You can see the distance, minimum temp, max temp, emission, GPS, everything. Different applications need different informations. So the name of maxim, the name means the name of the object you added in the photos. When it finished, just click apply. Okay, now it's okay. We can start to generate a report. So we just do an example, added 2 frames. Okay. Okay, now just the report is okay. Confirm. Okay, see, this is the report from the system. You need to adjust the size. I think the photo is too big, so I make it smaller. And also the video camera is here automatically. And you can see the image empty here. It means you can edit any photos you want to show on your report, not only the infrared or video camera, any photo you can. So I select it here. And mixed form shown here fully and adjust the size, make it more beautiful. I think you can make better than me. Confirm everything is okay and export. You need to put the name of your report. And remember where you put the report and save. And then you can see it in the desktop. Is it okay? Okay, let's go back.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas. Welcome back.
Is it easy?
Yes, for me, I think it's easy. I know how to find the basic function I need to show in the report.
Okay, you are a smart girl.
Thank you. Give me a like. And from the platform, we already get some questions
Really?
about this
Let
product.
me see. There's a lot of questions from Canton File platform.
Yes.
Okay, can you reply the questions now?
Of course, please go ahead.
Okay, so the first questions. What's the warranty of your equipment? Because I want to use the equipment for many years, but I don't know how many times you can do.
The standard warranty time is 2 years, but if you want to extend the warranty time, you can pay extra fee. We will extend for you.
Okay, the next one. Do you have any certification? Because I want to use it in USA. I need FCC, EMC like this.
Of course, I can show you our certifications.
Okay.
Look here. This is C certification, meaning for European market. Here, CE certificate. And here we have FCC certificate. Maybe we can use it in American market. And also, we have ROSE. This is ROSE certification. I think it's enough to running the tenders you have mentioned.
Seems a very professional company.
Yes, that's why we are the #1 in Asia for IR products.
Okay. Next questions. You just told us you have many optional lens for D series. Do you have any optional lens for C series?
Of course. For C series, we have at least 4 extra lenses, except the standard lens is 25 millimeters. We have 2 telephoto lenses, which are 55 millimeters and 85 millimeters. And we also have high temperature filter and the wide angle lens.
Okay. I hope the customer is satisfied with your answer.
Yes, I
And
hope so.
next, does your equipment need calibration every year or some fixed period?
The camera, whether it needs to be calibrated or not, there is not a fixed date. The only standard you will calibrate it is you find the accuracy of your camera is not accurate as shown in the catalog. You can just write to us or call us. We will tell you how to do for the next step.
Okay. And the next one. I always buy the calibration report from FLIR with very expensive price. Could you show us your report?
Yes, of course. You can see here. This is a real calibration report from our company. We have 4 pages. The first is the cover. The second page is you can see the details of this test calibration report. The first is the name, the model name of the camera we are going to calibrate it. The second is the serial number of this camera. And the third is a standard which we will use to calibrate. Here is the main content of this calibration report. The first is the appearance, we have to check. The second is the basic function. And the last is the most important, the measurement, the temperature measurement. We use black body with different temperature and check the temperature is shown on the cameras, and the answer is qualified. After calibration, you will get a signature from our quality control manager. So this camera is fulfill all the standards of the calibration.
Okay. The last questions. I like the questions. How do you buy it?
Yeah, it's very important. If you are interested and you want to get more information, just leave a message from the Canton Fair Access and we will reply as soon as possible.
Okay, it's a pity our time is up. So thank you very much to see our show here. Any more questions, please leave your message here. We will reply you here as soon as possible.
And when the epidemic was totally gone, welcome to Wuhan and pay us a visit.
Yes.
Please like us.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.